Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please, guys, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, the link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So, let's take a look at GBP JPY for today. So we clearly see that at first GBP JPY was kind of like rangy within this level. We can see this to be the resistance, then the support, then the resistance. Right now, price is actually rejecting from this level. It's either price continue to give us that bullish move or price will fall. But personally, with what I'm saying, I'll be expecting price to actually fall on GBP JPY. Reason is that there are multiple rejection at this top, kind of giving us like a double top, but we need a confirmation, and one of those, there are multiple ways we can confirm. But if I see GBP JPY breaking this low here, right, if this GBP JPY can just come and break these lows, then I will expect a correction before a continuous movement to this probably to this support level. This is what I'll be expecting. I am expecting GBP JPY to drop. That is what I'm expecting. At the same time, if it does not do that, then we are very much likely to see a breakout to the upside on GBP JPY. Thereby, GBP JPY will continue its bullish move. By the way, GBP JPY it's bullish, right? You clearly can see that GBP JPY is actually a bullish move. So if it continues the movement to the upside, it should not be of a surprise. But let's see it actually drop to this support level before it continues. And if it goes ahead to break above it, then you just have to go ahead and trade with it. Like you always say, trade with the trend and not against it. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, especially to those of you that you are struggling traders, you are having trouble growing up your account, then you can subscribe to our Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section. These are a couple of trades we actually took. We've taken this week. We can see it on Monday, WTI. We actually hit our profits. Tuesday also WTI with our profits. I'll be sharing the link to this playlist, by the way. It will be in the comment section. So once you're interested, sign up to our Patreon channel.